Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe. I do real estate videos all the time. Today we're at an open house, the DeAndre Estate. Here are the specs for the property and just some general information. There are 3 types of units on the complex: 1,000 square feet, 1,500 square feet, and 3,000 square feet. The unit that we're viewing today is 1,500 square feet and it's going for 48 million Jamaican dollars. There is a first part of this tour, so if you want to hop onto the channel and check out that first, feel free to pause this video. I might put a tag on the screen anywhere, but otherwise let's just continue into the open house. So this is one of the second units on the property. It's the only unit that will have some of the features that it has, and you'll see that later on in the video. So a lot of visitors attended this open house. If you're interested in purchasing, you might want to hop on that and contact the real estate agent, Miss Antoinette Daniels. So we're starting in the kitchen area. So the layout is a little different from the unit in the first video, and you'll notice that it's kind of set up a little bit differently as well. So I'm in the living room right now. Marketing was on point, by the way. Miss Daniels loved the little goodies from the open house. But anyway, we're in the living room and we're gonna start with 3 rooms first. So when I turn around, you're gonna see 3 doors. On my left, it's gonna be your storage closet. In front of you, it's gonna be your laundry room. And on my right is going to be the master bedroom. So we're going to start with the laundry area first. As you can see, it's very spacious. There's tons of space for your appliances. You can throw some shelves in there. And on my left, I would personally use this as a linen closet, but that's up to you and you know how you want to customize your unit. Now let's head into the master bedroom. The master bedroom is pretty large, lots of natural lighting, lots of windows, and the bathroom is to die for. Now in the first video, you know, they weren't that far in the construction phase, so the bathroom wasn't completely finished. But now that I'm back for the open house, you know, things are a little bit more solid and together now. And the jacuzzi is installed. As you can see, it's extremely beautiful, so warm and inviting. His and her sinks as well, walk-in shower. The first video, I believe the master bathroom was a little bit longer in length, but this one is a lot more, you know, square, more enclosed. So like I said, each unit, you know, it really depends on the unit that you're getting on this complex. I'm just viewing this one today, but if you want to view the other unit, like I said, check out the first video. It's titled DeAndre Estate. I'm going to tag it on the screen. This is bathroom number 2. It's an ensuite bathroom in the second bedroom, so this is definitely not master. This is the regular bathroom, and it has a walk-in shower as well. We're going to step into bedroom number 2. So like I said, it's an ensuite bathroom, so now we're just going to walk into the bedroom area, and then this is your guest bathroom. So it's really 3 bathrooms or 2.5 baths, depending on how you classify your bathrooms. Now this particular unit comes with something that no other unit on this complex has, and it is this huge balcony. Like, this balcony can be used for so many things: family barbecues, get-togethers. And no, this is not the balcony I'm standing on. The balcony is outside. Look at all that space. You get this with your unit when you purchase. So if you're interested in this specific unit, like I said, there was a lot of foot traffic, so go ahead and reach out to the realtor before it's gone. It's absolutely spacious. It's the only unit that comes with this, and I can see where the square footage really adds up now, because when I came out here, I could not believe the amount of balcony space. Now, even though this is a short little video about the open house, I'm still going to go in and show you the other features on this property. But if you really want a detailed video on the DeAndre Estate, go ahead and check out video number 1. Let's just wrap up the balcony and head upstairs and view the pool area. All right, so there's 2 things to note about upstairs. So there's a public bathroom or restroom for your guests to wash up after they, come out of the pool and stuff. And then there is a beautiful pool right on the top of the building that gives you amazing views of Kingston. Now, if you're really looking to enjoy that island life, I would recommend a complex like this, simply because, the sun, the water. It's really Jamaica away from the beach, but it still provides that island experience, if you know what I mean. The breeze is cool, the sun is shining, you know, it's all fun and vibes on this complex. Look at that amazing pool, guys. I told you the pool was beautiful. By the way, if you're enjoying the house tour so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family if you enjoy real estate content. Let's look at the entertainment area. So it's actually two spaces. You have one behind the pool, and then you have this shaded area here, you know, in case you want to have something a little bit more intimate, not necessarily in the sun. However, you know, there's still a lot of cool breeze passing through, and if you notice, they kept the railings glass so that it can open up the space a little bit and you can still feel like you're outside, you know what I mean. So if you love this complex, comment your favorite part of the tour. Like I said, if you want a more detailed tour of this property, check out video number 1. Let me know what your favorite part about this unit was. If you watched the first video and you're watching this video, let me know which unit you would prefer. But as always, guys, I'm so appreciative of every like, every comment, every share. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys next week.